Real-time file synchronization with any folder sync is a feature built into Syncplicity that no other file sharing and content collaboration solution provides. It's simple to use, but its power might surprise you. For instance, suppose someone needs a document right now and it's not available. Suppose the situation is even more dire. What could be done? Well, restore from backup eventually, but there's no time for that here. A Syncplicity user would grab another device and recover the previous version. Real-time document protection is a byproduct of backup and versioning going on transparently and automatically in the background. The user just chooses which folders to sync. That's it. IT doesn't need to get involved. IT can opt to silently synchronize any desktop folders for extra insurance. Syncplicity can recover files without downtime or loss of business. Outstanding features make Syncplicity the leading solution for accelerating your business productivity with file sharing and content collaboration. But take a closer look at how real-time synchronization can protect your critical files or photos. Could it replace an existing backup solution? Here's where to learn more.